everyone, welcome to the Student Sphere, the podcast that accompanies you through the quarter life crisis student style. Here, we share, learn, and even laugh together about the world of college.
That's right. If you're confused about choosing a major, burned out on assessment, or wondering why didn't I choose this major, you're not alone. We'll feel and be there.
And today is really special because we have four speakers who will different perspective from their respective major. It's a complaint range from engineering, communication, health to management.
We'll also be diving into a quick questions and answer segment that's anti-theory and full of spontaneity. So, get ready for honest and candid answer.
Let's get straight to it. Without further ado, let's get to know our resource person today.
Okay, let's start with the one close to the tech world. Hi Alpha, tell the listeners who you are and what you do at campus.
Hi everyone, I'm Alpha from Informatics Engineering. My daily routine is mostly coding, coffee, and coding again. Sometimes it feels like my life only revolves around two things: progress bars and error messages.
That's the perfect definition of an IT student. Now, let's move on to Agni, our communication student who is probably the most aesthetic one here.
Hi, I'm Agni from Communication Studies. On campus, I'm super active in content creation, handling media event, and doing presentation. But once thesis season starts, the aesthetic disappears, and all that left is deadline.
Haha, so true. Next, we have Jessie from the Help File. Hi Jessie.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessie from Nursing. My activities are basically clinical practice, case reports, then back to practice again. My days are filled with patients and stacks of report files.
Wow, that sounds tough. And lastly, we have Nadira, who always look busy with her organizational schedule.
Hi everyone, my name is Nadira from Management. I really enjoy studying business, join organization, and networking. But don't be fooled. I love slowing down for nothing. It's called multitasking.
Let's get into our main topic, culture shock. Alpha, what surprised you the most when you entered college?
Honestly, the expectation versus reality of coding, I used to think being a programmer was cool, typing while the screen is full of green letters like in movies. Reality, the only thing turning green is my own eyes from staying up all night.
I really even thought I'm not an IT student. What about you, Agni?
My culture shock was the pressure to always look and sound perfect. In communication studies, you don't just have to talk, you have to convince. Sometimes I practice presentation while walking around my room until my roommate goes, "Agni, chill." But I can chill. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes your grade literally depends on your intonation.
Communication students are really like that, huh? How about you, Jessie?
I got culture shock during my first clinical practice. I thought we spent a long time learning the theory before touching any patients. Reality, first semester and they already took us to the hospital. You have to be friendly, quick and calm. Meanwhile, my heart was shaking like crazy.
But now you are good at it, right?
Kind of, but if a patient suddenly screams, I still get startled.
Nadira, what's the management student version of culture shock?
Meetings, I swear, I thought meeting will be over in on tour. Turns out they can the last hour just to discuss the MC's opening line. Sometimes I want to slam the table, but I have to stay elegant because management student must a paid claim.
Haha, that's so relatable.
You will definitely have your own challenge. Alpha, what your biggest challenge?
Group projects. Honestly, sometimes they're harder than coding. Some people are super active, others disappear like Wi-Fi in a basement. My tip, build communication from the start. Don't be afraid to assign clear job description.
Nice, Agni. What about your challenge?
Improving my confidence, communication students appear a lot, but that doesn't mean we're always confident. There's pressure, fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged. My tip, practice and show up often. The more you appear, the more normal it feels.
Jessie, it must be tough in the health field, right?
Yeah, my challenge is mental health too. Meeting patients comes with emotional risk. My tip, share with classmates. Sometimes we just need to be heard, not judged.
How about you, Nadira?
My challenge is managing time because I active in organization but still need to manage my GPA. Tips: use a digital calendar, set reminders, and don't be afraid to say I can when you schedule in full.
Okay, it's time for quick questions, but in our version, you can answer a bit longer. First, college, heavier or more fun?
Fun when the code runs smoothly. Heavy when the laptop suddenly freezes right before the deadline.
Super fun because you meet new people every day, but heavy when the presentation has a big weight on your grade and you only sleep 3 hours.
Heavy, but I believe the heavy parts are what will shape me into a resilient nurse.
Fun as long as you're in the right circle. If your circle is wrong, then yeah, it's get happy.
Which is more important, organization or academics?
Academics, but organization give you soft skills that academics don't teach.
Both are important. The professional world needs good grades, but also strong communication skills.
Academic first, because health science are very specific. Organization are for building networks and extra skills.
Organization. I feel like that where I learn the most, leadership, teamwork, and network.
One thing you wish you knew before entering college.
That a good laptop is an investment, not just for show.
That public speaking skills don't magically appear. You have to practice them.
Thus, the whole field isn't as dreamy as medical dramas. Behind a nurse smile, there are tears.
That people change based on their priorities, so don't rely too much on just one person.
Tips for incoming new students?
Learn the basics of your major, at least understand the core concepts.
Be confident. When you look confident, 50% of your problem is already solved.
Take care of yourself. College is a marathon, not a sprint.
Build connection. Get to know seniors, lecturers, and friends from other majors. That will be super important later.
Okay, before we move on to the closing, I want to talk about something that's always a hot topic, social life on campus. Do you think it's easy to make friends in college?
At first, it's a bit awkward, yeah, but because there's so many group projects, eventually your own circle forms. Friends in college are born from shared suffering. Hahaha.
True, I feel like campus life is huge, but you'll eventually find people who just click with you at the right time. And college friendships have a different vibe, more mature.
For me, because nursing students often do clinical practice together, the closeness is built through field experience, but you still have to choose a circle that supports your mental well-being.
I agree, but one thing, don't get too stuck with just one circle. Getting to know students from other features is really fun and open your mind to new perspectives.
Wow, today's conversation was so much fun. Thank you to Alpha, Agni, Nadira, and Jessie for sharing their experience with us. We hope the stories can be useful for those of you who are about to start college or are currently navigating university life.
Don't forget to follow the podcast The Student Sphere and share it with your friends so more people can get inspired. See you in the next episode. Bye!